Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor DBJ De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight will be an extension of extension video on the so-called charger of power banks for Samsung. Okay? The one I assembled yesterday was the lower one here. Okay? And I am now charging my old power banks in which I could not use it because my Samsung S22 Ultra, the connection is actually USB-C. Okay, on the terminal, on the USB, the terminal is round. The one you plug in is round. The four sides, instead of got four sides, it's just a curve like that. It's a round portion. So actually, I could not use this one here to power up my cell phone. So what I did is that I assembled another, another charger exclusively for USB-C, in which the terminal we are plugging is actually round. The old Samsung, there are four sides here. It's something like a hexagon, you know. No. It's a rhombus, you know. Okay. So actually, this one here, we could not use this one to charge this one because the connector here is actually not round. It's the one with the triangle version. It got the sharp edges, you know. This one here, the two sides are actually round. That's for the new one. Okay, I will insert it again. Okay. So this is actually my new power bank in which the what is it? This is my new power bank exclusively for my cell phone S22 Ultra, because the connection for charging and for for charging this power bank and for charging our cell phone using this one is actually the USB-C round. The USB-C round is actually, you could use it as input or output. So this is actually versatile. Unlike the old one here, the old power bank, you will charge the old power bank using the USB-C. The terminal is not round, right? But to charge your, your cell phone using this one, we are using the USB 2.0, the big one, and the other end is actually the small one, the one that goes to the cell phone. So I will try to bring out my new cable now. My new cable for my new power bank is actually this one here. Okay? So by using this one, I could actually use the old power bank. I will insert this as the output. Okay? And this small one will be the USB-C round. Okay? So I could still use this one by having this cable here. The small cable, the end of the small cable is actually round, because for Samsung S22 Ultra, the input to charge is actually, it's the round USB-C round, this one. Okay? So, by creating or by assembling these two power banks, I could use the new power bank much more the old one because I got this cable here from the new power bank. I will insert the big one to the USB 2.0 on the old power bank, and I will insert the round USB-C round to my cell phone. Unlike before, we could not use the cable provided by Samsung before because the end portion is actually not round, right? Because if you insert the not round to the round, you will be destroying the terminal, right? So for us to use this old power bank, I must have to use this new cable that was included in my new power bank. And my new power bank is actually versatile. The new power bank, this USB-C round could either be used as input or output. Okay? The normal output is actually these two big ones here. But if you got the small one here, you could use it provided that the other end is also a small one. Okay, I will bring out my original Samsung Ultra cable. Okay. This was the cable given to us by Samsung for S22 Ultra. The one that goes to the cell phone is a small USB-C round. The one that will be inserted on the power bank will be USB-C round also. So, with the old power banks, you cannot use this one. You cannot use this one. Okay? But the new power bank now is very versatile because it gives us the cable in which there is a USB-C round and the normal USB 2.0. So the old power banks, I could use it. Okay, I will use the big one. And for the one that will be inserted on the cell phone, it will be USB-C round. Unlike this one, they are both small. Okay. So the old power bank, you cannot bring out the voltage of this one because these are both small. Right? You are both small. So the only way, because the old power bank is not versatile, the charging port is actually the small one, and if you charge it, you use the small one, but if you charge your cell phone, you will be using the USB 2.0, okay, the big one, then the end portion should be the small one. Okay? So I was able to remedy this defect here. They are both small. So it seems you could not use your old power banks, but by buying the new power bank in which if a cable was included in which there's a big USB and small USB-C round, okay, this is now to be used using the old power bank. So I am not throwing my old power bank because I could still bring out the battery or the voltage from this one by using this one here. This one goes to the cell phone, the small one. This one here, you could not use it on the old power bank because this is small, this is small. The terminal needed to get a voltage from here is the big one. These are both small one. That's the discrepancy. But since I got already the big one and the small one round, I could still use my old power bank. Okay, I could still use my old power bank. For the new power bank, this is actually a very versatile one because article this USB-C here. The USB-C could be used as either input or output. This one here. The micro, I don't have the micro, but this USB-C here, you could use this one as input and output. Okay, so this will be fine, right? But since I got this one also, the two big ones are also output, so I could use this one. So I got two cables available for using the new power bank. The small one and the big one, both small one, I could use it on the new power bank. But on the old power bank, okay, I could not use the power bank to charge my cell phone because they are both small here. Because the output of this power bank is actually the big one. So the only way we could use this one is by using this one here. We insert this one on the big USB and the small one will go to the cell phone, round. Okay, round. It is round. The sides are actually round. It will not be same like the one with the triangle. You could not use that one for the new Samsung S22 Ultra. So that's it, guys. Okay. So right now, I will insert again this one here, the new. Okay. I inserted the new power bank using my assembled charger. Okay. And I am now also charging the old power bank, is still using my assembled cell phone charger. The module for both of these is actually LM2596. LM2596. The voltage for this one is 18 volts input. Okay, the one that goes to the input. 13.6. 18.8. Then I adjusted the output of this one to 5 volts by rotating this one here. Where's it? This one, the blue one. I adjusted already. That's why it actually charging all the power bank. The one I assembled yesterday was this one. The output voltage of this adapter is 13.6. That's the one inserted or injected on the input. And again, I adjusted the output to 5 volts by using this blue potentiometer by using a small screwdriver. So this is 13.6 adjusted to 5 volts. This is 13.6 adjusted to 5 volts. The terminal of this one is actually USB-C, not round. Because the old power bank, the USB-C is actually not round. For the new power bank, the input and output is actually USB-C round. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how I remedied by using my assembled cell phone charger. I am now charging my old power bank, and I could still use this one for as long as I'm using this cable here. Not this one. They are both small. The output of this one is the big one. For the new one, I could use this one because the USB-C could either be the input or output. And much more, this is versatile because by using the big one and the small one, I could still bring out the voltage of this one going to my cell phone using the USB 2.0, this one here and this one. These are outputs. So that one coincides with this one. Okay, that's it, guys. This is my topic for this evening. It's a remedy thing. such that my old power bank could still be used by using this cable here. Okay, I am not throwing the old power bank. This one here, the versatile one, you could either use the two small ones to power up your cell phone, and you can use also the big one and the small one to power up your cell phone. Like what I said, the USB-C could either be input or output. So this works, the small one. Okay, good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor Vijay de los Reyes.